So I am getting ready, so that's why this is going on, so don't mind that. I want to wear this top, but it's very open from here and you see the bra. Let me show you guys. So these type of tops are meant to be worn without a bra, obviously, but I'm not the type of person to be wearing no bra. I have to have something. So luckily, Busties really came through with these. These are their nipple covers and it's perfect for this occasion. Give me 1 second. So it does come in a pair of 2. This is how it looks and this is how they look. I love how they look. We already have it on and we definitely love. I'm able to wear actually shirts like this because I don't have to worry to wear a bra or worry of wearing something very uncomfortable. So on that note, thank you so much, Busties. It definitely came in handy for me.
Link in my bio too. Get yours.
Go check them out, chicas.